Z06 to take a look at, unique, especially in classics. Velocity Yellow. Of course, a 7-liter, 427 cubic inch engine underneath the hood, 505 horse. These were rated from Chevrolet in 2008. 470 pound-feet of torque. Of course, the 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that. This one does have a short throw shifter in it also. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Of course, the cold air intake or the scoop on the nose of it, which would be standard on the Z06s. Power steering, power brakes, nicely optioned car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. This car has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Miles on this one, a little over 47,000. We'll slip around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Check out the exact miles. Of course, the wide body on the Z06s. This would be a fixed roof coupe. By the way, this is a vinyl wrap. It does show imperfections in it, as you can see here and on the hood. Now, that would probably be able to be removed easy enough because, like I said, it is a vinyl wrap. And you come around to the back and you can see the effects on it, making it look like the modern Corvette. Kind of a cool look from the rear. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll see up and down the side, pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Center dump exhaust. And once again, still pictures. If you want to check out the interior, underside, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It's riding on Continental Extreme Contact radials. Of course, you have the drilled rotors, the larger brakes on the Z06. Hand cooks in the front, but yet drilled rotors. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of this. We have some yellow highlights. And again, that 6-speed with a short throw shifter. Heads-up display. Electronic climate control. Does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo in it. Of course, memory seating, power window, power locks, mirrors. Power seat. Let you take a look at the condition of the seat. Of course, you're going to have your wrinkles from just how the leather wears. A little bit of wear on the bolster here, but nothing major. Nice condition. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. It does have headers on it. Slight bark to it, nothing crazier over the top. One that's going to turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Check out your exact miles here also. 47,239. Your Kenwood stereo system does have a nice little Corvette display like the factory ones had. I'll show you this, turn it on and off here so you can see it in a second. There you go. Of course, dual climate control, electronic climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger. Take a look at the dash, nice shape. Heads-up display, see that there. And again, little over 47,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Slip around to the back. Like I said, nice sounding car. A little bit of a bark coming out of the exhaust, nothing crazy. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, hood pop. And again, 7 liters, 427 cubic inches, 505 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Nice, tidy, good-looking engine bay. Slip around, let you see the other side. Once again, a little over 47,000 miles on this Velocity yellow Z06. Clean Carfax, confirms miles. You can reach us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you see the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.